This is our app, MapFly Genius. We're here to demonstrate how to use this application to create great 3D flyovers. We are in Rome, Italy, historical center. Here is the Colosseum, Piazza Venezia, and Isola Tiberina. And up here, the place where I'd like to start my flyover, St. Peter's Square, Vatican City-State. Let me adjust the starting camera. We will perform a recording using full manual recording mode, so to decide every single shoot. Let's start recording, tapping here. Now the second shoot. Adjust position, pitch, heading and elevation, and bang. And now let's go here, just to have another point of view. Now a final shoot, and that's it. Stop recording. Let's accept the default name. We can always change it later. And this is your flyover. Well, at least the initial version, which is already quite good. Never mind about those missing tiles, they will disappear during exporting, as we will see in another tutorial. Now the editor. The timeline is in the lower part of the editor, divided up into scenes. This is the first, the second, and the third. Every scene has a starting and ending camera or shoot. Selecting a scene, the lower menu gets activated to change the timing or speed of a scene, the altitude, pitch, heading, or all of them, for the starting and ending camera. Okay, let's deselect all scenes and play the flyover. I wanted to speed up the initial part and introduce another shoot right on top of the Vatican Museum. So stop. Now split. Now we have this new shoot here that I want to change using the position editor. This is the starting camera and this is the ending camera of the scene. I want to change this camera. Let me adjust the map, and here it is. Perfect. In this case, I will tap on Apply All Criteria, as I want to change not just the position of the camera, but also its altitude, pitch, and heading. Let's check if it's okay. Perfect. Now, just a small speed increase at the beginning. Close and play.